I would like to show how to repair the machines use gasoline. And now the mechanicians remove nuts and bolts for take out the spare part for the cleaning. And looking for which problem for this machine. Okay, this is the problem. The problem of this machine because the water into this machine, the water into this machine. You can see the lubricant in the machine. When we take out the lubricant, we see that the lubricant like a mood. Okay, this is like mood. This is the cause of a broken or a piston and ring or something of spare part. This is the cause. The mechanisms clean covers of crankshaft or this machine that appears by the water, and then they clean the cylinder head. They clean the valve and cylinder head. Okay, like this video. Clean in the machine like camshaft. Part 3. The piston is broken, and this is the new for change the old piston, and piston pin. How to put piston pin? Okay, we put like this. Put piston pin ready, and they put rest pin. Okay, put rest pin, and then they put the ring. How they put the ring of piston? before we put the piston ring, so we must know how the functions of a ring. First, we put the gasoline ring, and then we put the air ring, and the final we put the fire ring. If we don't know which ring, the machine cannot start. Before they put the pistons into the machine, we must put lubricants on the piston and a ring already, and then they put in the machine. And difficult to put the ring to cylinder. We find the method like this video, and it's easy to put the pistons and ring to the cylinder. And then after we put the piston and ring already, we must put the main cap and remove the nuts and ball. Before they put the camshaft, we must know which point that starting. If the point, that means we put the wrong point of starting, the machine does not work. And this machine, why the water into the machine? Okay, but now we found ready. It's a cause of the plastic ring that is not safety, and the water cans into the machine and become the mud, like the mud. And then they put the cover of camshaft, and they remove the net and ball. And then we put the gasket cylinder head. They put the cylinder head and they remove nuts and ball for safety of machine. And they covered the cylinder head and remove nuts and bowl again. And then we put the carburetor for machine's gasoline for the machine use gasoline, and so we put ready and safety. Testing the spark plugs. We testing how the spark plug have the fire or not. If fire, if have, okay, but now the machine is starting. It's starting. It's okay. It's safety. Thank you very much for watching this video.